Hi friends, hope you are doing good. Today I'd like to speak on an interesting topic. I just happened to coin this phrase and it has interested me and it has affected some of us in some way, sometime or the other. It has affected me also, but I wouldn't classify this particular episode under Dil Ki Baat. It's a general thing which is applicable for all. So, what have I written on the board? Your identity should define you and your surroundings. What happens is many a times it happens that especially we have seen in banking, finance sectors where loans and risks are taken, loans are given, risks are taken, that certain areas are uh, classified as risky and double check is done when you are from a particular zone or an area, because for some reason or the other they are considered notorious. So what are these notorious areas and how over a period of time they have been come to be classified as thus? So there are various reasons. Maybe collectively the people of that area could be notorious, or for it could be various reasons. Whatever are the reasons, we are not going to delve into that, because I am not into generalizing people or areas or communities for that matter. But our upbringing, we as children, we grew up in a very nice environment in South Mumbai, part in RBI quarters, and we grew up with great values and being part of. So wherever we went and we said that our address is so and so, that we stayed at RBI quarters, Maratha Mandir, Marg. So we always earned respect and people took us well, and even in school we didn't get privileges, but we were generally respected. So that region or that place, that RBI quarters, that name RBI and that particular thing quarters, so that those both the things worked in our favor. So people attach importance to the name, that is RBI, and also the fact that we stayed with such people, with fellow RBItes, also had a lot of effect. So when going in banking sector, finance sector, or being treated amongst other people, this had a lot of effect. So what happened is, since this was just a quarters, after retirement my dad had to move from there, and unfortunately we didn't have our own house. Dad had come from a very poor background, so when he got the job, he got the quarters, and from quarters also, in that quarters also there were clerical quarters and clerical flats and officers flats. So from clerical flats we moved to officers quarters, and we enjoyed our life, and there were all the facilities in there, plus it was in the heart of the city. It was in South Mumbai, so everything was close by. So we got the best of education by God's grace. And uh, what happened was, when retirement was coming near, dad's retirement, so now we had to look for a place, because we didn't have our own place. And we being four siblings and dad being the only working member, and he had to support others also, in a few others also, he had other liabilities also. So what happened was, then we had to look for some place elsewhere, and now we were very used to being in a place of convenience. So started looking for a place, and eventually that time the Mira Road was developing, and dad eventually bought a flat there. So initially we were skeptical, because our aim was to be on the Western Line itself, and Mira Road was a place I had not heard of till until we started looking for houses. So now Mira Road itself is now divided into various sectors. So then again there is like Shantinagar, Naya Nagar and all this. So what happened was, daddy selected uh, a building, and it was in a place near to the station, so we were looking for convenience. We never thought of other things, and it happened to be in an area where there were prominently Muslims. And when we moved there, there were, I mean, it was not so developed. Entire Mira Road was not so developed. It was just coming up as as the new suburb in Mumbai. So we took a place, and what happened was, uh, then we realized that I till then never knew of such things as being classified or as a community, or into a place. So when we shifted there, we heard a lot of people used to tell us, why you're shifting there, that's not a very good place. And that particular area also, uh, uh, they had, that area was earlier, was, some people said udhar bhoot hai in that, some people said udhar drug peddling hota hai, some people said generally the people are bad there. So but we took it. That main thing was, it was a 3 BHK flat, and we were getting a good deal, and the place seemed to be developing, so we took a flat there. What happened once was that some mishap, some bomb blast had taken place in Mumbai, and uh, on the railway line. So all the railway lines. So if you all remember, blast had taken place in trains. So the entire railway, Western Railway line was shut. So, and we were in banking. So banking people, no matter what happens, we can't stop our work. So we had to find ways, or we had to find ways of reaching office. So so we were advised to come by road. So there was a colleague who was staying in Mira Road itself that time, and he was a he had very great contacts. So he picked us up, and then while dropping us, he dropped us near the end of. I said, "I live in this lane, so you drop me here, so I'll go forward." So he just happened to see it. He said, "Oh, you're staying here? How come?" And then he came and mentioned it in the office that Shagufta stays at so and so place now, and in so and so lane, and I don't have any good thing to say about that place, that particular area. So that was a setback, because coming from a very nice background and very nice upbringing and society, and suddenly you're being branded for your location, choosing a location which was convenient for us and which we deemed good for us. But over a period of that hurt me. But over a period of time, what happened was, dad had his own reputation, and my sister got into a MNC. I don't want to take the names, and eventually I also got into banking, and so we were the good family in that building. And then there start, when people come to your locality, people start inquiring about your surroundings. That is how people take the place. So then there was another person from a good corporate who was looking for a bigger flat, because that time in that particular building bigger flats were available for decent rates. So when he got to know that yeah, they wanted to shift next, they were looking for a flat next to us, and they started inquiring who are the people around. So they came to know that so and say so retired RBI AGM stays here, and so family. So that lured them to buy that flat. Then eventually, over a period of time, what happened is that nice people started coming, staying there, and for whatever reasons, वो भूत था, ये था, all that stories disappeared. The booth, whatever was there, would vanish, because good people started to come and stay there, and whatever drug peddling was happening, what we had heard of earlier in that lane, because that lane became busy, new buildings came up, good people started shifting there. So all that also went away. That locality became good. I wouldn't say it became posh or plush or anything, but what I'd like to tell here or convey here is that आपके मोहल्ले की पहचान आपसे होनी चाहिए, आपकी पहचान आपके मोहल्ले से नहीं. योर सराउंडिंग्स शुड नॉट डिफाइन यू, योर आइडेंटिटी शुड डिफाइन योर सराउंडिंग. कि कल को सो लाइक पीपल गेट स्केर्ड ऑफ सेइंग दैट आई एम फ्रॉम सो एंड सो प्लेस एंड so area, or I stay here, I belong to so and so community. No, you make your identity. When you make your identity, you build your own identity, people will come and respect you, people will want to come to meet you, come to that area. So that is important, guys. That's what I'd like to communicate. K, do not be scared of, and most importantly, do not brand people and communities and areas, because फूल कहीं भी खिल सकता है, कहीं से कोई भी महक सकता है. I mean, you can find winners from any places, and you as a winner, your area, your identity is above everything. Do not be bogged down saying that no, I can't stay here, I can't stay there. Of course, when you have greater money and greater amenities, you can move to better places, but do not classify people by their identity and by their area, sorry. And because your identity is you yourself, and rise above everything. जब आप खड़े हो तो लोग आप तालियां बजानी चाहिए. So be that person. That's all I'd like to convey today. Thank you.